In the final part of our Costa Rica vacation, we set our sights inland, eager to witness some of the many volcanoes of Costa Rica. Before we bid farewell to the warm coastal region, we made a stop at the popular Crocodile Bridge. It was amazing to get a top-down view of these incredible animals. Our drive to the Cartago province took us several hours, but with each passing mile, the landscape transformed. The road led us ever upwards and the temperature dropped steadily. Admittedly, we were underprepared for how severely the temperature changed, going from 30 degrees Celsius by the ocean to 11 degrees Celsius near the volcano. As we neared the Irazu Volcano, the atmosphere changed. Blanketed by rolling clouds, the volcano's peak remained hidden from view, casting doubts we would get the views we had hoped for. Anxiety grew as we ventured higher, and the fog grew thicker, engulfing us. Our worries, however, were short-lived. The Irazu Volcano summit stood just above the clouds, providing us with breathtaking views that exceeded our expectations. At more than 3,400 meters, the altitude provided us with mild sickness, a reminder that we had just spent the better part of a week at sea level. The day drew to a close in an amazing loft AirBnB situated in a small hillside farming village. As the clouds parted, the city below lit up the night sky. Our departure was a journey in itself. Driving through picturesque hillside landscapes, it felt as though we had stepped into a story, reminiscent of the Shire from The Lord of the Rings. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure in Costa Rica. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more outdoor adventuring.